Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this portable nugget ice maker. These things have been very popular. It just fits right in your countertop, super nice. And you just fill it up with water and it goes ahead and makes a perfect amount of ice cubes. As you can see, it comes with this user manual. It also comes with this little scooper for picking up the ice cubes. And you can store this scooper on the back here and put it in there like so. So this is just a basic look at this ice maker. Right there you've got the area for heat to come out, which allows the refrigeration process inside. You've also got this handle here for picking it up. It doesn't weigh too much, which is nice. You could carry this around and move it if you like. Here you've got the container that the ice cubes collect in. There's where you pour the water. You can see the max line right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some water in. Right about up to that max line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and replace that right up there, close it, and as the directions say right on front, I'm just gonna click this once to begin the process. The light goes white and this thing will light up here when it's full of ice. It'll light up here when you need to add water, so like once the ice is done being made. And there's also a cleaning process. You can hold this for 5 seconds to clean it. I recommend doing that every once in a while just to make sure the system's clean. And definitely do it when you first get the ice maker. But let's go ahead and wait and we'll see what it looks like once the ice is done being made. As you can see, the ice cubes are starting to drop out. They are quite small, which makes it nice and refreshing for any summertime drinks that you might have. As you can see, they're starting to slide right there. Overall, this thing took about half an hour to fill up, so not long at all. And the ice cubes came out very nicely. As you can see, they are a nice small size, so they fit in any size drink and they provide a nice amount of refreshing coldness. So overall, I highly recommend this ice maker, and thank you for watching.